Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about replacing the timing belt on your vehicle, and if your vehicle has a timing belt. So if you do have a timing belt on your vehicle, it is extremely important to replace it at the time and mileage that the manufacturer recommends. These timing belts are a nitrile belt, and after they tend to wear out, as you can see with this belt, they lose all the cogs off the belt. When that happens, the engine comes out of time, and severe engine damage can happen, such as happened with this vehicle. As you can see, bent valves. So from a timing belt repair to a major engine repair gets extremely expensive. Replace the timing belt, the water pump if it's timing belt driven, the seals, tensioners, idlers, all that stuff gets replaced at one time for a proper job and a proper timing belt replacement, which will help prevent internal engine failure. Now, a lot more vehicles these days tend to have timing chains, and in the case of a timing chain, we do not replace the components until there is a concern with them, a noise, excessive wear, etc. So keep that in mind. Timing belt needs to be replaced at recommended time and mileage. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.